Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to compare the ChatGPT and Jasper AI. Why? Because some people are saying that the golden era of AI writing tools has been ended because of this ChatGPT. So in this video, I will try to generate a complete blog post by using ChatGPT, and also I will generate the same blog post by using Jasper AI, and then I will try to compare their output quality. At first, let's say we will try the ChatGPT, and here let's say I want to write one blog post about retirement plan or retirement savings. So let's say I will command ChatGPT to write some blog post title for me about my topic. So let's say I'll write like write some blog post title about retirement planning, and then if I enter, then let's see what happened. See guys, it have written 5 blog post idea, 10 essential tips for planning a secure retirement, and number 2 is the importance of early retirement planning, maximizing your retirement saving strategy and tips, navigating the complexities of retirement planning, and then the last one is retirement planning, how to ensure a comfortable future. So let's say if you do not like it, then you can try it from here. Let's say I do not want 5, I want 10, then I can mention here basically write 10 blog post title about retirement plan. Anyway guys, so in this way here I can generate some blog post and idea basically. So now if I go to Jasper AI, see this is the Jasper AI dashboard. Now here if I go to their long form editor from here, and then let's say I will use this one, start from scratch, and then I will ask them to write some blog post idea about retirement plan. So let me copy the same command from here guys. I'll copy the same command and then I will paste it here. See guys, this is the editor of Jasper AI. So I will paste this command here, and then I will just click here, Control Enter, and then let's see what it provides us. See, it has written how much money do you need to retire, what's the best way to save for retirement, should you invest in a 401k, then how to make your money last in retirement, and what are the risks of retiring too early. So if I compare it with ChatGPT, then I think ChatGPT output is better than this Jasper AI. I'm not sure what you think, guys, but personally, I think the ChatGPT output quality is great. So let's say here, um, let me give here another command. Let's say I will write more amazing title, let's say blog title that you have written above about the retirement planning. Let's say I will here enter their command. So let's see what it write. Now see guys, this is the output quality. 10 mistakes people make when planning for retirement. Then the 5 most important things to remember when saving for retirement. How to know if you are on track to retire comfortably. So these titles are good, I think, rather than these titles. So I will delete these titles from here, and then the second generated titles are good. So these are the things. Now let's say I'll choose one from here. Let's say I'll choose this first one. So now I will delete everything from here, and then I will command to Jasper to write one blog post. At first I will command it to write a complete blog post. I know it will not work fine, but still I will command and I will try to show you what it provides us. So let's say I will command like write a complete blog post about, and then the keyword, let's say 10 essential. Yes, write a complete blog post about 10 essential a planning for a secure retirement. Here will be for. Okay, so I'll just here run a command, and then let's see what it provides us. Okay, it's not a complete blog post, right? See, it's not a complete blog post. Here, let's say I'll select long, and then if I compose, then let's see what happens. See guys, it's ending every time. Now I have to click here again compose, and then it will compose again, I think. But let me give the same command on ChatGPT, and then let's see what happens. Let's say I'll write here, write a complete blog post about 10 essential tips for planning for a secure retirement. And then if I enter, then let's see what it provides us. See guys, in one command, it has written the complete blog post for me. See, I have written here to write 10 essential tips, and they have written here 10 essential tips here, and I needed only one click here. I didn't do anything here. See, they have added here one introduction. They have added here 10 points, and then they have added here one conclusion. But on Jasper AI, if I go to Jasper AI, see, this is Jasper AI. So every time I need to click here compose. So let me click here compose, and let's see what they provide for us. So a 7 point they have written in 3 click. Now if I click here again compose, then it will compose again. So 10 points has been written. Now I have to write the conclusion maybe. Let's see. Okay, see, they are writing the conclusion now. So that's great. And see here they have added generated 468 words total. And if I show you the chat GPT, let me show you the chat GPT, and they have generated here total 575 watts. So I think it's working fine guys, but on Jasper AI you have a dedicated window or a dedicated dashboard, a dedicated environment for writing. But on ChatGPT you don't have one dedicated environment for writing. You have to copy and paste these things, and then you have to go to one doc file. Maybe let me open one doc file. See, this is a doc file, and maybe you have to use the doc file, and then you have to paste this content on your doc file. And see, on Jasper AI, let's say you want to edit something, you want to customize some writing from here, you want to delete one line, and then you want to add one line. You can do these things from this same dashboard. But if you want to do it on ChatGPT, it's not possible. You cannot edit anything from here. You have to transfer it on another documents, and then you have to edit these things from here. So these are the things on Jasper AI. They have a good environment basically, and also they have a lot of template. If I go to this template section, then see they have commas, they have paragraph generator, content improver, one shot blog post writer, then IDA framework. A lot of frameworks are available, a lot of templates are available there. But on ChatGPT, these things are not possible basically. But on Jasper AI, the in case of ease of useness, Jasper AI have more potentiality, but the content quality are almost same, I think, guys. See, this is the content quality. You can read the contents by pausing the video. I'm not reading because it will take a lot of time. And this is the content of ChatGPT. See, this is the content. You can read it by pausing the video. So these are the things, and ChatGPT can be one low cost alternative or free alternative of Jasper AI, I think. So if you consider the ease of useness, then you can get the Jasper AI or other AI writing tool. But if you think you are in cheap budget or you don't have budget, then you can start with ChatGPT. It's also a great solution in case of AI writing or in case of blogging solution. These are the things, guys. And the thing that I want to say you, if you want, you will get Jasper AI. Then I'll give the URL of Jasper AI in the description of this video. Here you can claim 10,000 words for free. So you can just use my URL given in the description, and then you can get Jasper AI 10,000 words for free to test this tool. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, and if you think you will get Jasper AI or you will test Jasper AI, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. Also, I'll give the URL of ChatGPT in the description of this video. Also, you can watch this video, ChatGPT tutorial 7 use case of ChatGPT. I will give it in the I button of this video, and here I have shared everything you need to know about ChatGPT, how you can use ChatGPT professionally to make money, or what can be the use case of this ChatGPT. Here I have shared 7 use case of ChatGPT. So if you are more curious about ChatGPT, then you can watch this video. I will give it in the I button of this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and let me know in the comment section what you think about ChatGPT and AI writing tool like Jasper AI. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much again, guys, for watching this video.